Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's A Raven. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook, all of the things, Pinterest. I'm out here. We out here winning. So as you can tell, it is definitely wash day. We're looking a little rusty. And if you watched my last video about my favorite things, I mentioned that I was super excited about trying new products in the new year. And we are starting off strong with Aunt Jackie's brand new collection, the Aloe and Mint collection. And I just got it in and it came right in time, baby, because it's time to wash this hair. So let's see what we got. And then we're going to jump right into wash day. I'll give you guys the full review, my thoughts, and keep it pushing. We're starting with the Lather Up Sulfate Free Stimulating Shampoo Cream. Now, I've never used a cream-based shampoo that I can remember, so I was a little nervous, but baby, the texture of this shampoo will probably change the way I look at shampoo moving forward, okay? So you can definitely feel like a mint feel, but it's not overpowering. But look at the lather. Y'all know if my hair not lathering, I don't think it's clean. And this got the job done. My scalp felt crisp. It felt squeaky clean. And I was still able to finger detangle my hair, which means my hair was moisturized and did not strip. And look how easily it's rinsing out. Y'all better go get some of this. This is Lather Up Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Okay. Next, we're going in with the Cool It Stimulating Moisturizing Conditioner. And it's called Cool It because as soon as this conditioner touches your scalp, baby, it gets cold. But it feels so good. This is literally, it feels like a spa day on your scalp. I'm not kidding. The texture is amazing. It's not too thick. It's not too watery. Perfect combination of aloe, mint, rosemary, and lemongrass. I also went in with a wide tooth comb to comb through those extra big tangles because I want this goodness on every strand of my hair. Look at the shine. It is so soft. It is moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, towel dry my hair, and get to styling. So here we go. This is what my hair looks like with no product, absolutely no product. This is shampooed and conditioned. I am going to section this off so you can kind of see the difference in my hair, right? So completely nothing. I'm gonna go in with my water, rehydrate that hair. And the reason I'm doing this is because I usually style on completely soaking with hair, right? But I'm going for more of a stretch feel. So we'll see how it looks. All right, so the Hydrate Me Leave-In Conditioning Cream. So this product is a little thick, all right? So it's thicker than normal leave-ins I use, but you guys know I love cream-based products, so it smells really well. It's still hair all on my hands. I'm sorry, but I'm doing hair. But it's soft, it's silky. That's the word. It's thick, but it's silky once you start to rub it in your hands. I'm just gonna apply it like so. And you can immediately see a difference. I just showed you what my hair looked like prior, which with no product, looked a little crusty, but it was clean though. And this is with the leave-in conditioning cream, which has aloe, hemp seed, mint, and marshmallow root. And it's a hydrating leave-in moisturizing therapy, which is said to soften texture for easy combing. And you guys know I usually don't use a comb when I detangle, but I had to test it out. I mean, why wouldn't I test it out? And it is combing through, making it easier. I have very, very tight curls. I am type 3C, 4A, high porosity, and I have pretty thick hair. So we're gonna work with it. And then on top of that, I'm going with the Flawless Pattern Perfecting Pudding, which is not as thick as the leave-in, but it's super soft and super silky. Look at that. And you don't need a lot of this at all. I may add a little bit more, but you really don't. And it just melts into your hair. There's no product sitting on top of my hair. And y'all know how I feel about that. Yeah. We got a winner. We got a winner. So I'm just going to continue working this in. I don't know if I said this, but this is with the aloe, mint, and manuka honey. And I love manuka honey, but this combination of products, so the aloe, mint, manuka, hemp seed oil, and marshmallow root, is a game changer. Look at this. It's said to define your curls. The pudding is here to define your curls. And this is why I use this product on towel dried hair, because I really wanted to show you the difference it makes. All right. So I'm just going to do this for the rest of my hair. I will show you the finished twist. And then once I take the twist out, I'll show you that too, boo. All right. We are all twisted up. This is what the juicy twist look like with the leave-in and the pudding. It still feels light. It still feels good. So I'm gonna go ahead, you know, let it air dry, come back, and I will show you guys the finished look. I did want to show you guys an up close and personal look of the definition in these twists. Look how juicy they are. Even when I begin to take the twist out, it is still defined. Okay. Thank you to Aunt Jackie's for allowing me to collaborate with you guys. I am obsessed with this new aloe and mint collection. It's giving everything it's supposed to give: bounce, shine, the fluffiness. I even went in a little bit more with the wide tooth comb from the roots up to give it a little bit more of a fluff, but it was already there. You guys did what you were supposed to do. If you've tried this line already, let me know your thoughts. If you plan on trying it, let me know how it goes. I will see you guys next time for the next video. Thanks for watching.